Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautethical. If you're new here, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So hit that subscribe button and keep all your notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So in today's video, we are talking about the cruelty-free status of a brand called Wishcare. So Wishcare is an Indian skincare and hair care brand, and I recently came across this brand. What I love the most about this brand is that they have given their cruelty-free status clearly on their website, each and every answer to the questions that I normally ask a brand. So I didn't have to get in touch with the brand, it is clearly there on their website. This brand Wishcare is 100% cruelty free and it is a skincare and hair care brand. It's not 100% vegan, although most of its products are vegan. There are a couple of products in their list which contain animal ingredients like honey, so it's not getting added to my list of vegan brands, but most of its products except one or two, I think, in skincare are vegan. So barring those couple of products, the brand has a lot of vegan options, so you can definitely check out Wishcare. I will leave the link to their website down in the description box, and I will also link their products on Amazon and Nykaa down in the description box, so make sure you check out this brand. So that's it for today's video. I hope you're having a great day. Here's wishing you a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.